So good evening everyone. Today our session is about middleware and gateways, which is bridging the digital divide. So middleware and gateway are essential components in mobile distributed system, acting as crucial intermediaries that enable seamless communication and integration between diverse applications and services. So in this presentation we will see the distinct roles, key features and how they are collaborated, build robust and scalable features and architecture. So what is middleware? So connection applications support core functions, diverse implementation, enable integrations. Connection applications is middleware act as a software layer that connects disparate applications and systems, abstracting away complexities of various protocols and data format. So support core function, it provides critical services such as messaging, authentication, transactions management and data transformations, facilitating reliable and efficient communication. Diverse implementation, common examples include database middleware for managing data access, message queues and asynchronous communication, and applications serve for hosting business logics. Enable integrations, middleware is vital of real-time distributed processing of seamless data exchanges, making it constant stones for enterprise systems. What is an API gateway? An API gateway serves as a single entity point for all API requests for clients to backend services. It acts as a reserve proxy, simplifying client-side interactions and enhancing securities. So it handles essential tasks such as request routing, authentication rate limits and protocol transformations. Ensure efficient AI traffic management. By providing an unified API interface, the gateway abstracts the complexity of underlying microservices architecture, making it easier for developer to consume APIs. So prominent examples of API gateway includes Amazon API gateway, Google API GE and COM, all wide uses managing large-scale API ecosystem. So middleware and API gateway, the key differences are scope and focus, deploying location, core functions. And scope and focus is the middleware has a broad scope or holding various integration tasks beyond just APIs such as data transformations, translation and messaging between diverse systems. So deploying locations, middleware can be deployed throughout the application stack, closer to the services or database it integrates. Core functions, while both enable communication gateway, simplifying perform functions like load balancing, request aggregation for multiple services and location transactions. Middleware and gateway functions in detail. Middleware capabilities, middleware queuing facilities synchronization communication between decoupled services, improving system responsiveness. Database connectivity, managing connections and interactions with various database systems, abstracting underlying complexity. Remote procedure calls enable services to revoke functions or remote services as if they are local. Logging and monitoring, capture system events and performance metrics for debugging and operational insights. Protocol adaptation, support diverse communication protocol like SOP, REST and custom JSON format for interoperabilities. API gateway capabilities are centralized authentication, API visioning, rate limiting, request response transactions and circuit breakers. User case for middleware that are legacy system integrations, synchronization messages, data catching and optimization, transaction processing. Legal system integration, where middleware is crucial for connecting older or premises systems with modern cloud native application, ensuring data flow for business continuity. Synchronization data, that is, it enables event-driven architecture by providing message queues and brokers, allowing services to communicate without direct dependencies. Data catching and optimization, middleware can catch frequently access data, reducing data load and improving response times for application. Transaction processing, it manages complex multi-step transactions and workflow that across distributed services to maintain and consistency. Use case for API gateway that are microservices and management, provides a single consolidated entry level point for client interactions with numerous independent microservices. Load balancing and fault tolerance. Distributed income API request across multiple instance and back-end services, ensuring high availability and resilience. Security and access control enforces robust security policies including authentication, authorization and IP whistling, protecting back-end services. API analytics and monitoring, centralized API request logging, performance metrics and usage analysis provide valuable insights for API consumptions. Real world examples are middleware in actions, that is Apache Kafka, a distributed streaming platform used for building real-time data pipeline and streaming applications. API gateway actions, that is Amazon API gateway, manage millions of API requests daily for AWS customers, handling authentication, routing and rate limits. Node.js and middleware, Express middleware, common in web development for handling request violations, logging and other process steps before request to the router handles. Thank you.